Want to transfer your Walmart Family Mobile service to a new phone? There are two main methods: SIM swap and eSIM transfer. SIM swap is the traditional method, involving physically moving your SIM card from your old phone to your new one. This works best if your new phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. To do this, back up your data, power off both phones, remove the SIM from your old phone using a SIM eject tool, insert it into the new phone, and power it on. Your service should activate automatically. The alternative is eSIM transfer, a digital method that's gaining popularity. It's much easier as it doesn't require a physical card. To do this, first, ensure your phone supports eSIM, like iPhone 14 and newer, or Samsung Galaxy S22 and newer. Then, use the Walmart Family Mobile app or website to initiate the transfer. You'll likely scan a QR code or enter specific details, then follow the prompts to activate your service on the new phone. Regardless of whether you use SIM swap or eSIM, activating your service requires a few key steps. Contact Walmart Family Mobile via their app, website, or by calling 1-800-925-6355. You will need to provide the IMEI of your new device and your account details. If you're transferring from another carrier, ensure any outstanding fees are paid and confirm the port request. This can take a few hours, but up to 24 hours for intercarrier transfers. Test your phone by making a call or sending a text. If any issues arise, troubleshoot through the app or visit a Walmart store. Looking ahead, the trend is towards eSIM dominance. By 2026, Walmart Family Mobile plans to phase out physical SIMs for new customers. This shift aligns with the industry-wide move towards app-driven transfers and a focus on sustainability. Expect fully app-based transfers with biometric verification for enhanced security in the near future. This transition promises increased convenience and reduced e-waste.